Welcome to Study Gap. So in the last video, we have learned how to implement AND or NOT gate using NAND gate. Now today our topic is NOR gate as universal gate. So why NOR gate is called universal gate? Because a NOR gate is called a universal gate because it can be used to create all other basic gates like AND or NOT gate. That means you can construct AND or NOT gate using NOR gates only. Let's see how. So if we take a NOR gate like this, so we know that if you take a NOR gate and apply A, B as inputs, so at the output y equals to you will get A plus B complement. So NOR gate always give you the complement version, summation of the complement. Similarly, now if we just if we just interconnect these two input and make it one, so then NOT gate give you the complement version of your input. So here you will get y equals to a complement. So this is NOR as NOT. Okay, so this is how a NOR gate is used as NOT gate. Next come to OR gate. So now if we take a NOR gate, just we have taken two NOR gates here and interconnect their inputs like this. So next let me draw another NOR gate like this. Okay, so here we have taken one input NOR gate, so we are giving it A, so here we'll get A complement. If this is B, we'll be getting B complement here. Now if we connect this A complement to this and B complement to this, let's see the expression. So y equals to this gate will give you the A complement plus B complement bar. That means here you will get A complement plus B complement complement. Apply De Morgan theorem. So A double complement dot B double complement. That means A dot B. So you know this is the expression of a AND gate. Okay, so this is NOR as AND. So this is how we can construct AND gate using only NOR gate. Now come to the next. So if we take a two input NOR gate like this, and if we apply A here and B here, and as a result at the output you will get Y, here you will get A plus B complement. Now if we take another NOR gate like this, and if we interconnect these two input and connect the output of this NOR gate to this input, it will just give you the complement version of its input. So this NOR gate will give you y equals to A plus B. So this is how we can construct NOR as OR gate. So this is how you can easily construct NOR gate as NOT gate. You can use or NOT gate as AND gate and NOR gate as OR gate. So in the next video